Now, if there's ever a need to convert an Excel file to PDF or vice versa, then this is very easy to do. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you a very handy website that you can use to convert any PDF file that you need. Let's head over to my screen so that I can show you step by step how to do this. Let's go. Now, you simply want to open up any browser that you may have and type in ilovepdf.com. I will also put this within the description of this video so that you can easily find it below. Now, you can see here that you have PDF to Excel, and if you look down here again, you will see another option as Excel to PDF. Now, I have an Excel file on my computer and I'm going to show you how I will convert the file to PDF. So let me go ahead and select that Excel sheet. This is a financial sample sheet, so I'm going to open it and then I'm going to click Convert to PDF. It will do so within seconds, and what it's going to do is automatically download that file for me. And there you have it, guys. Let me go ahead and open up that sample sheet and you can see that this Excel sheet is now in PDF, and that's very easy. Now let me go back to this website again and I'm going to show you that recent PDF file that I've converted. I'm going to put it back into Excel. So let me choose PDF to Excel and I will select that new PDF file that I've done and I'm going to open that, and simply I'm going to convert it back to Excel. Now just give it a moment and it will easily convert that file into Excel for me. And there you have it, guys. It is ready and it will automatically download it for me. And there you can see that the file is now converted back into Excel. So you can see that I had one before, so it just downloaded a new copy. And that's how easy it is to convert any file into Excel or PDF to Excel. You guys, I really hope that you found some value within this video. And if you do, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel and seeing this for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. And I'd really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel to see much more videos coming out every week like this one. See you next time.